Hi everybody, Mr. Chris here. Today in our book, Too Loud Lily, we saw a story about Lily the hippo, who was so loud that everywhere she went, people were telling her, "Lily Hippo, not so loud." Now, Lily Hippo eventually found a spot where she could be as loud as she wanted. She could do her best crashing and banging, best growling and roaring, her best cackling and screeching, and her best singing and clapping. And that would be in the school dance performance, or the school play. So Lily found a spot that she could be noisy. And I have also found a spot where I can be noisy. Now, I have come outdoors to a park near my house, and there's nobody around right now, and that's okay because it's pretty quiet here, and we'll be able to see how loud I can get. Now, I don't have very many musical instruments. I certainly don't have any very loud ones, but what I do have is a baking pan, and this one wants to wiggle a little bit. You can hear that. That's not so loud. Maybe you can hear it, I don't know. You can hear that, but what will be really loud is if I take some things and I try giving it a whack. So, I've got one stick. I wonder if I can be louder if I use my stick on my spoon and a stick I found here in the park. So, let's try that. Sounded about the same to me, maybe a little bit louder. Anyways, I challenge you guys to find something and go make the loudest noise that you can. Make sure that you have your parents' permission, that they're there to supervise you, and that you get the right things that your parents are okay with you using. I would take it outside, find some place where there's not a whole lot of people, like maybe an empty park, and see if you can make a really loud noise. Maybe bring out a couple of different things and give it a try. At the same time, there's another way that you guys can be like Lily, and that would be to get your dance on. On Edsby, I've posted a video of the cha-cha slide, and I think it's a lot of fun because it'll show you some stomping and some sliding and some clapping and some dance moves that you can make some noise with and have a lot of fun. So, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.